It's a combination of a stove and a microwave. So I went through it out, and I'm gonna take it apart and see what's inside. I have been just using the screwdriver, and I found lots of wiring on the top of a microwave. I broke that loose already. The top of the stove. Inside, that's my little kid. I'll show you the back. The back has more wiring. When I took this, it weighed a lot, so probably like 200 pounds. An old combination of microwave and a stove. I'm gonna keep breaking it down and showing you more of the inside. Okay, this is a microwave, and as you can see, it has a lot of wires. I'm gonna disassemble everything, take all the wires out, and all that steel, I put it in a different pile. I got that too. I think it's a little transformer. And then over here, there's the stove. Nothing in there. It's kind of light now, so everything put together, it's like super heavy. But apart, it's easier to load in the car. Alrighty, I'm gonna show you the rest of it when I take everything apart. Okay, I'm done breaking the stove and oven. So that's what I got from it. Transformer, a couple stuff right there. More little transformers. Some of the objects, I don't know what they are. Bunch of wire. All that metal. That's the stove. Remember, the stove and microwave, they were put together. Later on, I'm gonna work down the grill, maybe just get rid of it that way. Okay, I got this little board too. This is the front of it, of the microwave. Right there, that's other items I got. I had the crowbar just in case, but I never use it. That right there I have separated because it's aluminum. Always have all your tools ready. These are the tools that I use. The hammer, the Phillips screwdriver, the flat screwdriver is over here on the floor. That's a magnet. You always have to have a little bucket to put the screws in there. Don't get the magnet and the video camera close because it can damage it. So we just go and test all the items to make sure that they're still. They are. Now this is steel, but this over here, it's aluminum. It won't pick it up, as you can see. Always have a magnet so you can put your steel with steel and aluminum with aluminum. And that's all the metals too, like like this one. I thought it was steel, but it's not steel. This one right here, that's aluminum. Right here is copper. I mean copper. Right here is steel. Right here is aluminum. So you won't pick it up. Over here it does. That's my crowbar. Again. Over here, this is little brass. If I had time, I will take it apart. If not, I just leave it like that. These ones are steel. I can feel the magnet. But this one, as you can see in the color too, brass. Alrighty. Well, this is all I got.